Viral Amazon video. I'll be sharing 25 things that are just super best-selling, top rated, tons of 5-star reviews, and they're just viral, like everyone's talking about them. So I went through tons of lists, I ordered so many things, and I narrowed it down to these items in the fashion category, beauty, and home. And as always, everything will be linked down below in the description box according to the number that you see in the corner of the screen. So as we go along, you can jot your favorite numbers down, and it will make it really easy to shop at the end. And I will also link my Amazon page, which is just where I link all of my favorite Amazon products, like of all time, by category. And a lot of you ask me where that is. Sometimes it's hard to find, so it'll be down there below as well. Let's actually just start with the shirt that I'm wearing. This isn't even number one, so technically there's gonna be 26 items in this video, but this shirt is from Amazon and I love it. I feel like it's perfect for spring and summer. It has so many good reviews. My friend actually sent it to me because she thought I would look good in it. I ended up ordering it and it's beautiful. I think it's the perfect length, but you could also tuck it in and you could dress it up, you could dress it down. The price is awesome, so many colors. I just think it's a beautiful spring and summer top. Let's just go ahead and start with the fashion category. So this is number one, and it really is number one. Like, this is insane. These men's crew neck sweatshirts are so viral and they're $9.99, like $9.99. They come in so many colors. I love the white. I got a size small because they're technically a men's sweatshirt. So you could get some for yourself, some for a boyfriend or a husband, your teenagers, like people of all ages look amazing in a good classic crew neck sweatshirt. And again, tons of colors. So get it in white. If you get a stain on it, who cares? Red, navy, like I live in these. Next, I did mention these in a prior Amazon fashion video, but they are so viral. They kind of just needed to be in this video, but they're the butter leggings that are fabulous, guys. I'm telling you, buy these darn leggings. They're $14.99. So many colors. I have them in black. I want to order them in more. They're one size only, by the way. You can get one size and one size plus. My mom's hooked on them. She's getting them in different colors. I have friends hooked on them. They are beyond comfortable, and I swear they're like just a completely different material than typical leggings. They also have versions with pockets because some people like a pocket thing for their cell phone or keys or whatever, but oh my gosh, so viral and absolutely worth it. Now with those leggings, you're gonna see me style these men's crew socks, which, you know, used to be not cool. Now they're cool. I kind of thought it was weird at first, and then I started seeing them everywhere, and now I suddenly like the trend. So I, you know, have styled them with the leggings, with biker shorts, with white sneakers. It's definitely, like I said, a trendier thing. No-show socks were all the rage, and now we're starting to pull our socks up higher. So anyway, if you've been seeing this trend around, this is a really good pack of socks that comes in so many colors. White, like just tons of colors. You can match your outfit. A lot of black options, and they're really good quality. Okay, we have to talk about the smiley slippers. I love these slippers way more than I was ever expecting. I even put them in my obsessions video. So it's like pretty hard to be like, I didn't think I'd be obsessed with slippers. And I've recommended other Amazon slippers. I mean, they're great. I still wear them, but really I'm just reaching for these every single day. They make me happy. I didn't think they necessarily would make me happy, but they do. But really it's just the comfort. They stay on your foot. They're so gushy. They're so comfortable. They're cozy. I love them to pieces, and they're under 20 bucks. Next, we have these big hair clips, which I've actually had for a long time before they were viral, and now everyone's wearing them, everyone's recommending them, and I definitely agree because they are so good. I love the colors that it all comes with. Like, it's just a whole big pack, and I actually just keep them in this bag, but some are more matte and then others are more shiny. But what I love about them is, like, I just have so much hair, and it actually kind of grips the hair, and it really doesn't make it sag. Like, it actually just works. And there's some clips that I've purchased in the past where it just doesn't actually contain my hair. So anyway, the price is awesome and the colors are beautiful. Okay, let's transition into the beauty category next. I just have so many good things to share with you, really in all of the categories. But let's start with the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil, which has been viral for quite some time. I honestly just had no idea how good it was, even though I've actually had this for a long time. I just am always obsessed with the No. 3 Hair Perfector stuff that kind of like started it all. But I recently gave this a try. It will last you so long, and it makes an immediate difference on your hair. Like, if you, well, first of all, a little goes a long way. Like, you can do like 1 or 2 drops, and then smush it around in your hands and then apply it to the ends of your hair, like after you've styled it. And it just like, it bonds your ends. It just makes your hair look so much less frizzy. It makes it look so healthy. You should definitely try this. Another hair product that I've been loving, and I purely tried it because of the hype, because of the amazing reviews. Otherwise, I honestly think I just would have passed right over it. It's by the brand Joico, which I've never tried before, but it's called Defy Damage. It's a sleepover hair mask, but it's kind of different because you use 1 or 2 pumps, and you'll probably see me apply it here, but you do it right before you go to bed, and you really focus it on like the second half of your hair, like again, more towards the ends. And it's more liquidy than you would expect. It's not super thick, but I don't know, it kind of is, but it just works all throughout the night. And then you wake up and your hair is so shiny. It just really infuses goodness into your hair, and I swear it just makes your hair look 10 times healthier. Now, speaking of products that you use right before you go to bed and it works all throughout the night, that's actually kind of my favorite type of skincare because I don't love using things in the morning because I feel like it messes with my makeup. But this is by the brand PCA Skin. It's a hyaluronic acid overnight mask, and it's a completely different texture than you might expect. It's almost kind of like jelly, but I love putting it on before I go to bed. It feels really nice, but it has hyaluronic acid, a lot of other good things too, but it genuinely like plumps up your skin and it hydrates you. Like it literally infuses hydration into your skin. And so it's just like what we're missing as we age. And so it kind of, you know, gets visibly rid of fine lines and wrinkles. It just like plumps up the skin to make you look more youthful. But read the reviews. I'm telling you guys, again, another product I would not have purchased or tried had I not kind of heard the hype. Another product I like to use right before bed, and this I really can only use before bed, and I'll tell you why, but it is a lash and brow growth treatment, but it's only castor oil.